Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your device Samsung Xcover Pro. So in this device, if you want to enable the dual WhatsApp, like you already have one WhatsApp but you want to download another same app of WhatsApp or a clone app you can say or a dual app, you can easily do this by the methods I will show you. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch completely and you will learn how you can enable a dual WhatsApp in your device. Let's watch it.